Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today I am going to teach you how to make spinach and potato curry. For that we need spinach, which we have already cut into pieces and boiled it in the water. In a cooking pot add chopped onions and oil and let them cook for a bit until they are golden brown. In a chopper add garlic, ginger and green chilies and chop them until they are thinly paste. The onions are lightly golden brown. We will let them get more brown and then add our green chili, garlic and chili paste. Now add the green chili, garlic and chili paste into it. Now make a tomato puree too. And add that tomato puree into the cooking pot. And cook it as well. We have peeled the potatoes and now we are cutting it into cube shape. Make sure they are not very thick and not very thin. Now we will rinse our potatoes thoroughly with water. And set them aside. Add a tiny bit of water and mix it. Now we are going to add our spices. First, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt as you like, turmeric powder, and mix everything together. Add a tiny bit of water again and mix it well, so the spices are mixed together properly. In the masala mixture, add the potatoes and mix with the spices thoroughly. Now we will cover the cooking pot for a few minutes and let the potatoes get softened. Added that spinach into the chopper and rinse it away from the water. And now we are going to chop it. Our potatoes are softened. Stir it well. And our potatoes are exactly ready and softened. Now we are going to add our spinach, which we had chopped in the chopper, into thinly paste and add it into the potato and masala mixture. And mix it properly. And let it cook for a few minutes on a low heat. Cover it so that it is thoroughly cooked. In a pan, we will make a tadka for our spinach and potato recipe. Our onions are almost brown to be added into our potato and spinach curry. Now we are going to add this into our recipe. And add this into our recipe that we made earlier. And mix it well. Our recipe is ready. Now we are going to add the garnish, parsley and green chilli on top, which we have chopped earlier. And this is ready to be served.